Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to unlock your Facebook account without identity or how to unlock your Facebook account without ID Pro. So let's jump to the video. So first of all, go to your any browser and search unlock Facebook account or whatever unlock Facebook account, and then you can see the first link here, recover your Facebook account if can't log in. And here you can see a link that facebook.com/login/identity. So click on that, and then you can see this page. Just enter your phone number or email address by clicking on the last option. After that, you can come to another page, which is whatever you say, Facebook kind of Facebook identity or form, Facebook unlock form, Facebook ID unlock form. Here you can see the link which is locked ineligible. So after come to this page, just type your first name and type your full name, and then enter your email address which linked on your Facebook account, and then choose your real birthday which attached with the Facebook account. And then you can see a choose files option in this just in this page. After come to this section, which is choose file option, just choose any screenshot of your IDs, just any screenshot of your IDs, and just type hello Facebook, my account has been disabled by mistake. Just give my account, and I just followed all the Facebook rules. So after that, enter your birthdays. Just type birth date, just type your birthdays like that, 10 10 1001, just random. I just type any random date. Just you have to type your original name, original birth date, and then type your phone number by phone number, and then type your email address, and then type your full name. After that, click to the send option, and in 24 to 28 hours, Facebook will give your account by a secret link on your email address. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any question or any problem, then don't forget to comment below and we will solve this. And that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. Goodbye.